So I've got my proper brand Vaseline one, and then I've got a Body Shop one.
Nice.
I put it on every night.
So do I.
We're lippy buddies.
La la la. Woo woo! We found it.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Look at that.
That's a boat and a half.
Oh, I know the like sentiment of what I'm saying, but I can't remember. It's a lyric of. But what's the lyric?
From what?
Dear Evan Hansen.
Dear Evan Hansen, we've been way too out of touch. Things have been crazy. Which song were you talking about?
Oh, I'm waving
Like my blue toilet bag and
window, I think. The sunshine bit.
That's not waving through a window.
No.
That's all we see is sky for forever.
Is it?
Yeah. I climb till the entire sun shines on my face.
Not that bit. Not that
What?
sun bit. The sun bit where it's like, don't stay in the sun because you might get burned.
Step out of the sun
bit.
if you keep getting burned.
That bit.
What does that relate to?
Because it's like, if you're in the spotlight too much, you might get burned.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
Great. Are you ready to start the vlog now?
Yeah.
It's been like 10 minutes of chat about lyrics and lippy.
Oh, so when I took Debbie to
Do you want to explain who Debbie is? It's not some woman
Debbie's-
we're holding hostage.
Debbie's for tortoise.
Aww.
She's 2 now.
Oh, is she really 2 years old?
She turned 2 in
Wow.
September, like the 23rd or something.
Time flies.
When we were to our friend Christine's house, I had her on my lap, and she kept on trying to climb up, and then she climbed under my top. It was a really strange experience.
That's a fascinating story, Eva. Really, truly. Right, can I start the vlog now?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to start a vlog anymore. Sun's on my face.
Wow.
Thank you.
Bit of agility camera.
Jeez, give me a break. We're in a car.
I'm joking. Turn right or turn left.
Yeah, don't disclose our house location.
I said turn right.
I know, but you were about to say on to.
No, I didn't.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are on our way to go on a cruise. Yeah. And what, you hot already? We've been in the car for like 2 minutes.
No, I don't like the hood. So I'm taking it off.
Why not?
It's too tight.
It's too tight.
My arms.
Oh, you got those powerful biceps. Boom.
So we're in the car.
On the way to
Southampton.
Southampton to go on the Independence of the Seas, a Royal Caribbean ship for 4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going to Bruges,
And Paris.
but we're not getting off at Paris.
Eva, what have you forgotten? You've forgotten shoes.
I'm wearing shoes. I just forgot to pack any other shoes.
So you were planning on the formal night to wear your Nike trainers?
Well, I didn't really think that through.
Oh. Wow.
What's your dining thing?
My what?
Your dining thing.
Where?
Have a dining
I
thing.
don't have a dining thing.
I do.
I'm not eating for 4 days. What did you get then?
Some stir fry, sausage, some chicken, some paella, 2 chips.
I also got the chicken and the paella and some pasta and cottage pie. Interesting mix of foods. It's nice to be back in the Windjammer. You can literally eat anything. Anything. I've just devoured some incredible sugar-free chocolate cake.
I just devoured some mousse.
Mousse.
If you stay here with the kids, we'll get the car and bring them to the drop off and then a pick up and then you can wait in the lounge downstairs. It'll be
It's really bright. We've gone exploring because we have about an hour until we need to be back for the safety drill thing. And we're with our grandparents on this cruise, so they are not really up for wandering around the ship. Careful, wandering around the ship aimlessly like us. So it's just the 2 of us. I'm sure that's a song.
Not just the 2 of us.
Oh yeah.
I don't think
Only
so.
the 2 of us here. You say it's possible. Are we only singing Dear Evan Hansen in this vlog?
I think so.
We could just watch the whole world disappear till you're the only one I see, know how to see. IKEA.
Dun, dun, dun.
Children in the cupboard. I'm not okay. Maybe it's due to the fact that I disappeared briefly.
Yeah.
We tried to check in and then the guy checking us in. Hold on 1 second. Right, here we go. So we tried to check in and Eva got checked in, and then my mum, my dad and my grandma and granda were already checked in. And then the guy just like left. And we were like, what? I don't have a card. What? And then he came back and he was like, yeah, you're not on the system. And I was like, great. And he said, so we're just gonna wait for the manager. So we waited a long time for the manager. Wow, look at the view. Wow, what is that? It's the mythical woodlice. Yeah. Okay, so back to the story. Then the manager was like, yeah, you are actually on the system, you just like disappeared when we looked you up. And I was like, great. So then they had to re-enter me into the system. So now I have like a card which isn't on my normal account, which means that I'm not part of like the dining plan, which is, you know, great. Look at the top of the climbing wall, there's birds. Choo-choo. Eva, it's you.
Thanks, doll.
You're
Thanks.
welcome. We're at the Royal Promenade.
So there's a big dish with dolphins on it.
It's the life and soul of the party down here.
It is.
Yeah.
Guest service is looking a bit busy.
Oh, it always is, isn't it?
They probably haven't got rid of the tips.
Probably. Last time, well, the only other time we've been on a Royal Caribbean ship, it got to the end of our cruise and realised we'd been charged like £600 in tips. We were like, what? It turns out they automatically add on £15 a person per day. So we were on a 2-week cruise with 4 of us. And so we were like, we'll tip who we want to tip. But we're not giving like an extra £600. We already paid a lot for this.
So we got the money back. It's gonna be you by the end of this trip.
So true. This is amazing. This is amazing. I can't believe we're on the sea. Like, it just feels like a supermarket or something. But we're like
Wow.
actually...
What supermarkets are you going to?
I mean, no, I don't mean a super... I mean like a shopping centre.
Yeah.
It's like we're in Vegas.
We're in the casino.
Oh. But just so you know, it isn't open yet, that's why we're allowed in here.
We're just walking through it to get to the art place.
Yes, because we're cultured. We like art auctions.
Yeah.
She really needs to stop listening to my dares. Eva's drawing a picture of me. I'm actually terrified.
So am I. We're taking the stairs.
No! Please, no more stairs.
Yes, more stairs. We're not going to put lifts and use the lift, are we?
We've already walked up and down, like, more flights of stairs.
You just need to use your knee to go up the stairs.
Yeah, I generally use my knees.
No, like you press down on your knee with your hand.
Yes, I did just do.
Right.
Oh. Yes, okay.
Got some squiggles going on.
Squigglies. But we were just on deck 3 and we have to go up to deck 11.
At least I think it's 11. Let's find it.
Have you ever felt like nobody wasn't? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of a stairwell? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall down the stairs? No one would hear. Well, keep walking up the 10,000 flights of stairs. Maybe one day you'll make it to the Sky Lounge. We're only on floor 8. I already died 4 floors ago. Yeah.
We're all dressed up. Ah, I've got my jeans with this nice starry top on, and Eva's got leggings with a nice black number.
Oh, I've got a stain on my leggings.
Oh, it's fine. It's the informal night. I know, this is what it's like in our family. This is informal.
Yeah, but then we wear our glad rags dresses
Blood rags.
for the formal night.
I wonder if you can see that. I have like a bit that sticks out. Are you ready?
No.
Oh, what have you got left to do?
Dance!
I might actually need to pee, which is quite the ordeal in this outfit.
She's wearing like a catsuit thing, so it's got like shorts
And I've
under
just
her jeans.
tucked them into my jeans. How long have we got? Have I got long enough?
You've got 5 minutes.
I can make it.
To work out
These
where
are our
we need to
third
go,
bits
then
of
we'll
bread.
get that.
No regrets.
That will get us down.
Bread here is so good.
Best part of the meal. We haven't even done starters yet.
Bread. That's a ginger kick and a half. That's gingery.
Is it?
It's not hard. It's pretty gingery. There's a bit of spice going on tonight for me.
Thank you.
How are you feeling about that?
Fine. My throat's recovered.
That's it. It's not still on fire.
It wasn't on fire, it was just a bit warm. It was like toast when it comes out of the toaster and then you leave it for a couple of minutes, and that's what it is. It was warm and nice, but it wasn't on fire.
I think Eva's most excited about this course.
Thank you.
Do you want to describe what it is?
It's a warm hazelnut and chocolate cake.
Nice. And I've got sugar-free ice cream.
So, let's find out who's going to be the lucky winner, shall we? Who got more than 5? Make some noise! Who got more than 10? Who got more than 15? More than 20? More than 25? It's getting quiet quickly. 30? Did you really?